Hello, and thanks for mathing with me today. In this video, we're going to learn how to find the area of composite shapes. A figure or shape that can be divided into more than one of the basic figures or shapes is called a composite figure. To find the area of a composite shape, we simply find the area of the shapes, the basic shapes that it's made up of, and either add or subtract. To do this, we will need to remember the area formulas that we talked about in the previous video. The steps in finding the area of the composite shape are 1. To break it into its basic shapes, 2. Find the area of each of those shapes, and 3. Add or subtract to find the area of the composite shape. And then don't forget the units. In example 1, we can divide this shape into a rectangle and a triangle. To find the height of the triangle, we simply draw a vertical line that is perpendicular to the base of the triangle, and we can use the total height here and subtract the height of the rectangle. That gives us the height of the triangle. So to find the area of this composite shape, we're going to find the area of the rectangle, which is going to be our base or width, which is 6, times our height, which is 5, plus the area of our triangle, which is 1/2 our base, which is 6, times our height, which is 3. Now we'll just go ahead and simplify. So we'll simplify 6 times 5 equals 30. And then we're adding 1/2 times 6 is 3, and we're still multiplying that times 3. So we get 30 plus 3 times 3 is 9 equals 39. So here our area of this composite shape equals 39 centimeters squared. Don't forget the squared. Let's try another example. In this next example, we are finding the area of the shaded region. For this example, let's call the inner circle circle 1, and let's call the outer circle circle 2. So we have a circle with the radius, our radius for circle 1 is going to equal 2 inches, and our radius for circle 2 is going to equal 7 inches. So to find the area of the shaded region here, we want to subtract the area of our circle 1 from the area of circle 2. So we need to remember that the formula for the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared, where r equals the radius. So we're in finding the area of circle 2, which is the larger circle, we would write pi times r, what's the radius of the larger circle? That's going to be the 7 inches. So pi times 7 squared. And then remember that we are subtracting the area of the smaller circle, which is pi times r, which is 2 squared. When we simplify, we get the area equals 49 pi minus 4 pi. So then finally we get the area equals 49 pi minus 4 pi is 45 pi. And then our units is inches squared. Now it's your turn to try some examples. Pause the video and try numbers 3 and 4. Hopefully you paused the video, and in this first example you found the area of the rectangle first would be 45 times 27, and then the area of the triangle would be 1/2 the base. This is the base, which is the same length as the height of the rectangle, plus 4.5 for this little part, plus 4.5 for this little part. So 36, so 1/2 times 36 times the height of 27 here. Those simplify, we get area equals 1,701 meters squared. In example 4, we need to find the area of this shaded region. To find the area of the shaded region, we need to subtract the area of this smaller rectangle from the area of the larger rectangle. To do that, to find the area of the larger rectangle, we see that the base is 13 and the height is 8. So 13 times 8 minus our smaller rectangle, which is a base of 5, times a height of 3, which simplifies to 89 feet squared. I hope that you learned how to find the area of composite shapes or figures in this video. Thanks so much for mathing with me today.